Point. A location with no width, no length, and no depth. A line is a perfectly straight, infinitely thin, and extends in both directions forever. A point is a dot. Although we draw a dot larger so it can be seen, by definition a point is infinitely small and only defines a location. A line segment is perfectly straight, infinitely thin, but only extends from a point to a point. A ray is perfectly straight, infinitely thin, and starts at a point and extends infinitely in one direction. A point is a location with no width, no length, and no depth. Related words: line, line segment, ray.